Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's be real. Creatine monohydrate is the undisputed champion of supplements, but drinking that gritty, unflavored powder every day, it is a chore. So when brands like Bites showed up with creatine-infused gummies, the fitness world went wild. It looks like candy, but does it deliver on the muscle gains? Today, we're asking the hard question. Are these gummies a real muscle building tool or just an overpriced sugary gimmick? Let's break down the dose, the cost, and the hype. The appeal of Biz Bites is purely about convenience. No more mixing, no more chalky texture, and zero excuses to skip your dose. You just pop up a couple of gummies and you're done. This is especially attractive for people who are always on the go or who simply cannot stand the taste and texture of standard creatine powder. The marketing is phenomenal and it feels like a genuine lifestyle upgrade. But here's where we switch from marketing to math. To judge if this is legit, we have to look at the dosage. For creatine to be effective for those real gains, you need about 5 grams per day as a maintenance dose. That is the gold standard, scientifically proven amount. Now let's look at the Beast Bites label. Most creatine gummies contain about 1 gram of creatine per gummy. This means to get your standard, effective 5-gram dose, you have to eat 5 gummies. This is the first major trade-off. If each gummy has 1 to 2 grams of sugar, 5 gummies mean you are consuming 5 to 10 grams of added sugar just for your creatine. If you are cutting or trying to keep your diet clean, this is a significant, unnecessary addition that powder simply doesn't have. Now, for the cost, powder is dirt cheap. You can usually get a month's supply of high-quality powder for the price of 1 or 2 jars of gummies. You're paying a massive premium, sometimes 2 times or 3 times the cost for the convenience of chewing instead of steering. The verdict on gains? Yes, the creatine in the gummies is real and it will work just as well as the powder, assuming you eat enough of them. The question is whether you want to pay the price in cash and sugar. If you absolutely, positively cannot stand the taste or texture of powder and you have the budget, then Beast Bites is a convenient solution that delivers the necessary creatine. However, for 90% of people, they are an overpriced gimmick. You're paying triple the money and adding unnecessary sugar to your diet just to avoid a 10-second mixing ritual. For the smartest approach to fitness, stick with the unflavored powder and mix it into juice or protein shakes.